welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can basically blur out just the background on CapCut PC. So right click copy, right click paste, then on the second one go to cutout, select auto cutout, and then go to effects, go to video effects, go to lens, and add in the blur. You can choose like any that you want. I'm just going to select the usual blur and add it behind the second video. So it creates like blur, but I feel like that's a little bit too much. That looks pretty fake. So we're just going to select the slider and move it down a little bit so it blends well with the video, like so. And it won't look super fake if you add just a little bit of blur, maybe like up to 10%. And that is basically it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Also on the second one, you can add in just a little like sharpen to make the like subject really stand out. Okay, that is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!